Okay, I'm going to try to make this fairly brief today, but we definitely need to do some clarification from Wednesday. The discriminant, which is connected to solving an x-squared equation. I'm going to hold off till Monday to show you how this connects to what we're going to be doing. But basically, this b squared minus 4ac is just like a formula, just like area equals length times width, just like area equals 1/2 base times height. This is a formula where another word for a formula is a rule. And basically the rule says, take the b number and square it, take -4 and multiply it by a and multiply it by c, and then you're going to combine the two answers together. Okay, and I wrote that here. Every single time you're going to square the b, you're going to multiply -4 times a times c, you're going to multiply -4 times a times c, and then you're going to combine those two answers. Yes, negative signs matter. An issue that happened a lot Wednesday. Make sure when you square the b, a positive squared is a positive, but if b is a negative, like -5, let's say, -5 squared means -5 times -5, which is positive 25. Make sure when you square the b, you should always end up with a positive, because a positive times a positive is a positive. And if it's a negative, you have a negative squared, which means negative times negative is still a positive. This number right here should always be a positive after you square it. Yep. So I've done the first question for you. Given a, b, and c, all I want you to do today is substitute into b squared minus 4ac and simplify. Today, there's no need to state the number or types of solutions. For example, Wednesday I had you say, okay, that a positive means there's two answers and they're going to be real numbers. Okay, you do not need to do that today. Today I just want to focus on making sure you can handle b squared minus 4ac. Because if you can't handle b squared minus 4ac, you're going to really struggle Monday when I add something to it. Okay, so instead of giving it to you as an x squared, I'm already giving you a, b, and c. I'm telling you that a is 11, b is 2, c is -3. The formula is b squared minus 4ac. I'm going to do this example and show you the work. So one question is going to be done for you. Since b is 2, I take 2 and I square it. That gives me 4. Since a is 11 and c is -3 and -4 is part of the formula, right? It's always there. I take -4 times 11 times -3. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 11 times 3 is 132. Okay? So the b squared is +4. The -4ac comes out to positive 132. And then I just combine those two terms. Since they're both positive, I add and keep. If this had been negative, then you'd have to subtract to find a larger number. Okay? So the value for b squared minus 4ac in number 1 should be 136. You don't have to state what that means at this point. I just want you practicing solving or simplifying b squared minus 4ac. Okay? You're going to have 6 total questions. I've already done one of them for you. Okay, and I'll take a picture of this and put on as well. Okay? Hope it goes much better today. Harmony has been updated. I am caught up with everything, including the Pearson quiz and all the homework this week, other than I don't have Wednesday's updated yet since so many of you turned it in late last night. Okay? Have a great day. Email me if you need something, but follow this work. Another suggestion is maybe, when you watch my video, if you need to rewatch it for Wednesday, do a step, pause the video. Listen to the next step, pause the video, okay, and just kind of go a step at a time, pausing as needed. Okay. Hope you have a great weekend, even though it's going to be raining all day Saturday. Bye.